How's it going? Thomas with Wood Vendors here, showing you guys how we do a reinspection. Basically, when you go to our website, all the slabs on there, the photos were taken when the slabs were green. Once you pick the slab you like, we do a reinspection. The slabs are kiln dried now, so they're ready to be made into a table. The first couple things we do, we got to find the slab in the warehouse, carefully bring it over here, and then we got a custom-made pneumatic clamps. So we clamp up the slabs, we can rotate them a full 360, get the narrow side, get the wide side. Once it's in there, we're going to grab a level and check the flatness. This one was very, very flat. So it's rough right now. It's about 2.5 inches thick, but once you finish it, well, sand it, it's going to be probably 2 inches thick for your tabletop. After that, we got a Wagner moisture reader, so we'll check the moisture on these. This one was about 10 to 11%, so right in that good range. After that, we're just going to take our chalk and chalk up everything you see here. The number, the log, the number of the slab. N stands for narrow, the wide, W for the wide side on the back. Personally, we like to use the narrow side where the live edge tapers out. For our tabletops as the top side. We just like the look of the live edge. You can flip it over, use the wide side. It's a little bit wider, but you don't get to see the live edge as much. So if you guys have an exact size that you need, let us know and we can chalk up exactly your dimensions on the slab so you know exactly what the fitment will look like and if you want to move it over, so on and so forth. All these beauty effects, these checks, these voids, there's no metal on this one, but metal, miscuts, burn marks, anything like that. We're going to chalk it up and show you where it is and what it looks like. So there's no grading system with slabs like there is with lumber. So this is how we grade everything. We basically make sure you know exactly what the slab looks like and exactly what's happening with it before you buy it. Other than that, if you guys want, we do have some water. So if you want us to spray the water on, we can clean it up a little and show you the grain and the color. But that's our reinspection. Check out our website, find a slab you like, let us know. We can get it reinspected and build you a table. Thanks, have a great day.